Hi, this is Randy Wimmer with Government Contracting Academy, and I'd like to share with you an incredibly easy proposal writing tip that's going to help you out on your next bid effort. If you have any corporate credentials whatsoever, ISO 9001 Quality Management, ISO 27001 Information Security Management, CMMI Level 2 or Level 3 for either services or development, these corporate credentials place your company easily in the top 1%. If you have two, then you're likely in the top 0.1% of all U.S. small businesses. These logos need to be in either the header or footer of your proposal template. So every single page will have the Government Source Selection Board seeing that you are among the top 0.1 percentile of bidders. They are proof points for everything that you write on your proposal page, and it doesn't cost you any of that priceless real estate in page count. So if you'd like to learn more, download the 9 easy things to help your proposal win, the link below this video. I'm also hosting a webinar on the 18th of April and the 20th of April discussing how to write better proposals. I hope to see you there.